Click on the ENVI Classic software and open the software. Click on File and open Image File. Choose the file, as for example, Landsat 8. The image file that will be chosen is from band 1 until band 7, a Landsat of the state of Kelantan. Click on Load Band and the image will be displayed as image number 1, which is in grayscale. If you want to load a new display by using RGB color, you can choose any of the band available in the box. As for example, you can choose band 7, 4, and 3. Drag the box in the image to the location you desire for vegetation index. Click on Tools, Color Mapping and ENVI Color Table. Choose the green-white linear color table. Drag the stretch bottom till the maximum and stretch top till the minimum. And you will get a result in the vegetation of NDVI color table.
This part will show on how we extract the water bodies using ArcGIS. First of all, the data we download from USGS and we extract first. As we can see here, there's 8 band but only selected band 4, 5 and 6 into ArcGIS because it's the best combination for land and water. So the image was appeared. Then I select window for stacking the band, then select the 3 band that was added before and click add composite band. Okay, I click the composite band. So the composite band appeared on the layer and the image was turned from black to color. I click at the rectangle button and choose rectangle and I create a box on top of water bodies at the image. Then I click drawing and I choose convert graphic features and fill the details on this box. Then I change the file name to Water Bodies Amir Adila. So this yellow box right here, I change to no color and I set the outline color with a bright color which is red. Then tool catalog was open and then click at system toolbox. Then I click spatial analysis tool and click at multivariate And last, okay, I click at multivariate. And the last is I click at ISO cluster unsupervised classification. ISO cluster unsupervised box appeared and the blank was filled in again. I set the number of clusters 6 and the output classified I changed to water Amer Adilah. At processing S10, I set for same layer with water bodies Amer Adilah. So this is the result after using ISO cluster unsupervised classification. We can see the review clearly.